my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Nicole, welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's Thursday, it's my day to cook. We'll probably cook together. I'm making like a relatively easy meal. But I feel much better today. I took my iron medication. My neck still feels really sore. I think I slept bad yesterday as well. I don't know what's wrong because I was sleeping fine. So I need to figure it out hopefully soon. But it's 11:23. I'm hungry. I didn't have dinner yesterday. So I'm gonna go eat. The people for the measurements haven't arrived yet, thankfully, because I didn't wake up early. But yeah, the video just went live, so I'm posting about it. Then I'm gonna go eat, and then I'm gonna come back and edit another video and probably study some more. And then when the electricity comes back, then we start cooking. Gotta rock with it, okay? So let's do that. Okay, so the measurement guy called. He's on his way. I'm gonna start prepping dinner. We're gonna have this smoky barbecue chicken pasta. We haven't had this before. We had the cottage pie. It's okay, I don't like it. It tastes like Cornish pie. I'm not a fan, but everyone doesn't mind it. And then this one is the first time having it, so kind of excited. Hopefully it tastes nice. Got something in the microwave going. I'm gonna defrost this because it has to defrost. I'm gonna get meat in the oven, and then I'm gonna start my veggies. Let's do it. The guy just arrived, so I'll see you just now.
are not always what they seem. Close to total peace as the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. Start living for the moment, letting go of the past, yeah. Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine.
Okay, so I'm done finally. This is everyone's plate. So we have the barbecue chicken pasta, we have broccoli, some gem squash, and chicken. And everyone's plate is the same.
You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine.
Hi, today's Friday. You're on 5%. I have to leave you. But today's Black Friday. I messed up. I messed up this morning. I messed up so hard. Yo, I thought I was gonna die. Probably still likely think I'm gonna die. So what had happened was I rushed downstairs this morning because my mom wanted to leave to go to spa quickly to go check something. And when I got down, she like gave me iron medication. She's like, take this. It was iron medication that my sister got from the blood drive. They give you iron medication when you're done. And she's like, take the medication. And so I read the little leaflet to see how many. And I just read 3 tablets. And I stop reading there. So I take the 3. I'm like, 3 tablets. Take 3 tablets. All at once. And I have a banana. Guys, while I'm walking in spa, we were probably there 10 minutes total. I'm dying. And I'm like, there's no way it's supposed to hurt so much. And so I come back and I read the little pamphlet thing again. And it says 3 tablets, like split up. You're supposed to take them like 8 hours apart. And I took the 3 same time. Now I'm Googling, Dr. Google says iron poisoning. Oh, I actually thought I was gonna die. I called the doctor, she hasn't called me back, but I feel much better right now because I literally tried everything in the book. I tried to eat, I couldn't eat because I literally felt like I was gonna be sick. Still haven't had anything to eat. I had like a small piece of chicken and like a salad. I haven't eaten anything basically. It's almost 4 o'clock. I had milk, no help. I tried to eat plain yogurt that we have in the fridge. It's bad. No. I then went upstairs and had some mayo gel, and that's what helped. But 1000%, if we didn't have mayo gel, I was gonna die because the pain was so intense. The pain was so bad, you guys. Like, yo, I still don't know if I'm in the clear, but at least I feel fine. My stomach still hurts, but it's nothing compared to what I felt this morning. I don't know. Hopefully I'm fine. Hopefully the doctor calls me back. The weather just changed. It's dark. It's thundering. Getting in the mood here. But yeah, that's what happened. I thought I should share that with you because it's really important to read the entire instruction. And I should know that. I should have known better. Like 3, I even said 3 pills. Anyway, I'm gonna go plug you in. We're gonna go to the mall quickly. Probably nothing exciting, so you're not missing much, okay? So yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you. Hi everyone. So we just got back. Literally just drove into the house, and then a delivery came for us. So we just got it. It's pretty late though. It's like 6:15 now. So he wasn't supposed to deliver it today because it was after work is done. But he said because he knows me, he didn't want me to wait until Monday. So he brought it. This is the rest of the Shein things. There's a lot, so I'm gonna open it up. I probably won't show you everything unless it's not enough to do a whole thing. There's a lot in here, okay? This is mine. Okay. I didn't get a lot this time. This is mine. Clearly, this is mine. Okay, maybe I did. This is mine. Mine. Hello, everybody. Wait, you have more Shein stuff? Mine. This is a swimming costume. Yes, it's nice. Mine. I'm excited about this. This I'm excited about. My mom's. Mine. There's a lot of black in here, as you can see. Yeah. This is mine. Maybe I did get a lot. Is this mine? This is mine. Okay, there's a mountain here. Maybe I will do another haul. Okay. These are my mom's. These are my mom's. She got a ton of swimsuits, but I got a ton of stuff in general. Another bucket hat. No judgments. Thank you. I can't wait to open them. I'm gonna open them when I film. So I'm gonna put the box down. Maybe I'll film tomorrow Saturday. Maybe. You never know. It'll be a shorter haul. There's not that many things. Not that it's anything revolutionary. I'm gonna go downstairs, have some cake, watch some TV, because the whole iron situation scared me a lot. My stomach is still sore. I need to go get some medicine. But for now, I'm just taking it easy today. I did finish editing one video. Hopefully I'll finish another one today. That would be great. I'm gonna put all this in my mom's room, and then we can go watch some TV. I don't think I'm going with you. Okay, I'll take you with me just to show you the cake, because I got some Woolies cake, but not like the pre-made. I'll show you. Okay, so these are the 2 cakes that I got. This is the ultimate chocolate cake, and then this one is the coconut white chocolate cake. So I'm gonna taste both. I feel so like sick still, but I'm hoping this sorts me out. Chocolate cake always, like, what? Can't go wrong with chocolate cake, so let's see.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
even if the sky is falling down.
It's good. This is peach. Peach smoothie with blueberry boba. Nice. It's really good.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.